Hello and welcome back to another episode of Premiere Bytes. Today we are talking about how to open a sequence in the source monitor and why we actually would do that. I'm using that fairly often, most of the time when I create a sequence containing all of my rushes in it and I would like to take some selects from those rushes. I mean, there are many ways of achieving the same or similar results, but I feel this method is a bit quicker and I'm also using less the mouse cursor. As you can see here, I prepared a sequence with all my footage in it, our lovely chickens again. And then I navigate to the project window, right-click on my sequence and navigate to Open in Source Monitor. And as you can see, the sequence is now loaded into the source monitor. So I can now scrub through it and I can also set in and out points. And now if I open an empty sequence, I can now insert or override them into this open sequence. And I can just continue to do that until I'm happy with my selects. And you can quickly create selects, sequences, or even a rough cut from your film. And one important thing to note is that you can insert these clips also as a nested sequence. Important is this icon here on the left side of your timeline window. So at the moment it is switched off, but if we toggle this icon on, everything that is loaded into the source monitor will be inserted or overwritten as a nested sequence. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Leave a comment, press the subscription bell, and I hope that you're going to watch some other tutorials on my channel. Thank you.